Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the scalp and hair. Wash with a gentle shampoo, towel dry until damp, and remove styling products. Measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil, then mix it half and half with a lighter carrier oil like jojoba or coconut to reduce thickness. Apply a small amount behind your ear first for a 24-hour patch test to check for irritation. Once cleared, section your hair and apply the blended oil to targeted areas using a dropper or fingertips to start stimulation. You move into the core treatment, divide the scalp into sections and apply oil directly to the roots. Once applied, use your thumbs and finger pads to massage each section for 3 to 5 minutes. This boosts circulation and helps the oil penetrate. For improved absorption, warm the oil to body temperature, 37 to 40 degrees, but never hot. After massaging, let the oil sit for 30 to 60 minutes. If you prefer, sleep with a shower cap for overnight deep conditioning and cover to protect bedding. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Lather twice if needed to remove thick residue, then apply conditioner to mid-lengths. Make castor oil part of your routine 1 to 2 times weekly for best results and track progress with photos every 4 weeks. If you notice excess buildup, persistent itching, or clogged follicles, pause treatment and clarify with a chelating shampoo. If problems continue, consult a dermatologist to rule out dermatitis or allergic reaction before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.